To make a call, press and hold the red button to unlock the keypad. Using the keypad, enter the number you wish to call. After you have entered the number, press the green button for call options and press it again to place the call. To end or abort the call, press the red button. To make a call using the dialed call feature, press and hold the green button. Recent calls will appear on the screen. Use your 6 or your 0 key to scroll up and down and select the desired phone number. Press the green button for number options. Use your 6 key to scroll down to call and press the green button to call. To make a call using the phone book, press the green button to go to the menu. Select the green button again to select contacts. Use your 0 or 6 key to scroll up and down. Choose the desired contact phone number by pressing the green button. Using your 6 key, you can scroll down to your option call and press the green button to place the call.